he refuses to do so. Since there is no option. Well, that's stupid. How there is no option for that? And then I can take that unique shotgun, the best one in the game. Though I have no idea what would I do with it, because I don't use shotguns. I'm never gonna use shotgun. Really. I don't know, maybe they might be useful against raiders. I don't know. But this M4 is also quite useful. I know I get almost always a single hit kill. What else could you ask for? But if I wanna kill him, I need to do it another time. And then I can't sell these items I've got to him. I really don't feel like coming here over and over again just to buy items. Because I can travel to Rivet City. Yeah, well... Okay, I think I'm gonna kill him. And I think I'm gonna cheat a little bit just to increase my carry rate. So I can carry all the stuff, but in the end... Just to save some time so I don't have to come twice. Well, bad news, bro.
Bye.
That was actually... Well, I'm sorry. Should just go further away. Not to get dirty. Do it! Do it already, I can't watch it. Well, you're a dealer to the raiders,
What's
that's
up?
not good. Because of you, those raiders are doing all the crimes they do. So, I'm sorry. This is a cruel world. I can't give people other chance. Okay. Say goodbye, I'm sorry. Oh, I am cruel. Well, okay, I'm gonna... Yeah, he was evil. I even got karma reward. I'm gonna modify my carry weight. It doesn't affect much. I'll get some more agility and strength points, but I won't notice any bonus from agility, only from strength, and then again that from strength won't be much noticeable. And it's utterly irrelevant. And then again, if I'm doing this, I can also just give myself caps, right? That's what I end up doing in the end. And I just stop. Damn it! Fuck. Where are those locks? In the end, I just end up not looting any of these garbages. But okay, I'm gonna take the items I would take only if I... Oh, he has those Vulcan rounds. Wow, many of them. Did they have... Yeah, I wouldn't take this Thompson. This one. This one. I think I don't have these guns at all. Who cares? So valueless. Okay, these knives. Okay, rolling. Come on. What's PM? Wow, this Beretta is expensive. I will give FG42. This gun doesn't use those rounds, it uses Mauser rounds. Okay, let's hurry up. It's good that nobody can ambush me while I'm looting. The game pauses. That's one of the things I tried to change, but it's impossible. I didn't really try. Just actually read that it's impossible. 14 backpacks. Wow. Bar rifles. So many weapons added by FWE. Revive syringe. Can I revive people with that? Oh, we can try it out. 14 nitrogen bubbles. Oh yeah, this sure did pay off. Remove off. This Raider armor, well, piercings, yeah. Coach gun, what the fuck is that? Portable bed. To boost things. M14. Well. Okay, I found M14. This one is not the one I put in the game, but maybe I can say, well, instead of it I can take the one I put in the game. Encyclopedia of Small, finally. One thing I do specialize in. Fastest Winters. That's another gun I haven't processed, because I don't know what ammunition to assign to it. Because it uses some unique subsonic rifle rounds, which only that rifle uses. I mean, even like in real life. Okay, probably not. Probably that more. But it's really unique cartridge. Sealed container. What could be there? Okay, I can try to breach lock. Ah, damn it. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Fragment. Okay, run. Okay, I think I'm far enough. Fuck. Hope there will be no more explosions.